fabrics are really made of some fibers. These fibers will be natural or artificial. And what are some of example for natural fibers? And that is cotton, wool. These are some of the examples of natural fibers that is made from nature. That means plants or animals. That is natural fibers. Now we are moving to what are synthetic fibers. Some fibers which are made from not from plants or animals. It is actually made by man, humans. That is man-made. That is called synthetic or man-made fibers. And actually, what is the synthetic fiber is? It is a chain of small units that are joined together. These small units which are joined together is some type of chemical substances. And actually, this small units which combine to form a larger unit, it is called polymer. Polymer, actually, it is derived from the Greek word polymer, poly and mer. Poly means many, and mer means the small units or small parts. So actually, this polymer is some type of combination of repeating units. These polymers occurs in nature also. For example, cotton. Cotton, actually, it is a polymer called cellulose. This cellulose is made up of a large number of glucose units. So I hope you understand what is synthetic fibers. Now we are moving some types of synthetic fibers. For example, first one is rayon. Actually, we all know that this silk, which is obtained from silkworm, it was discovered in China. And after that, it has been kept for a secret for a long time. And at the end of 19th century, the scientists discovered how to make this silk artificially. And after so many experiments, they have made this type of not actual silk. It is a fabric that looked like silk. They made this from wood pulp. Doing some chemical reactions on wood pulp, they have derived some silk-like material, and it is known as rayon, or also known as artificial silk. Okay, this rayon actually it is obtained from natural source. That is wood pulp. We know that it is a natural source. So it is made from natural source, but although it is man-made, so it can be come under this synthetic fibers. So rayon is one type of synthetic fibers. This rayon is mainly used for making bed sheet. When it is combined with another cotton, mixed with cotton, we are using for bed sheet, and also this rayon mixed with wool for using carpets. So synthetic, one types of synthetic fiber is rayon. Okay, it can be dyed to various colors, and we'll get various colors of this rayon material. Next one is nylon. Nylon is also another man-made fiber. In 1930s, actually this was made from natural. This nylon was not made from any of the natural substances. That means not from any plants, not from any animals. It is made from coal, water, and air. So this nylon will be under fully synthetic fiber. Actually, when you're speaking, rayon is also a synthetic fiber, but it was made from wood pulp. That is a natural source. But in case of nylon, it is fully made from artificial source, that is coal, water, and air. This nylon is very strong. This fiber is very strong, also very elastic and light. So it is used for many of making socks, ropes. Also, it is used for making. It is said that it is used for making those parachutes and ropes for rock climbing, etc. So that means it is very strong and also very elastic. That is type of nylon. So it is a very fully synthetic fiber is nylon. Next, we'll move to another example, that is polyester and acrylic. And we all know that polyester clothes are now used by everyone, as it is very nice. Also, that material is very light. Okay, that is another type of synthetic fiber. That is polyester is another type of synthetic fiber. And this polyester, it will not be wrinkled easily. It is very crisp and it remains crisp as we use and easy to wash. So that is one of the advantage of this polyester. Next one, the polyester we used mostly is known as terylene. Also, it is mixed with another substances to get some type of another material. Polyester mixed with cotton, polyester mixed with wool, etc. Then actually we used to wear the sweaters and shawls or blankets. Actually, it is not made from the original wool, because the things made from original wool is really very costly, and the material is also very good, but it is not affordable to everyone to use that. So instead of that, we are using these sweaters and shawls made from acrylic, another type of synthetic fibers that is called acrylic. This acrylic is not quite expensive, and they are available in various colors, this acrylic. So actually it looks like this natural fibers, but it is as the type of synthetic fiber, that is acrylic. We are mostly using the sweaters made up of acrylic, not the actual wool, because that actual wool sweaters, they are very costly and very expensive. It is not very affordable. Okay. Yeah, then natural fibers are more good because IG is made from nature, but synthetic fibers are of less cost, and also it has a long life. Synthetic fibers. So mainly we are using synthetic fibers, and that is all about synthetic fibers. Okay.